the nails, the stubby stubs. Stop being a crackhead.
You're the only person I know who can take a wonderful season like Christmas and turn it into a problem.
It's your girl TayPancakes, aka Taylor Stevens, aka Tay, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, my face is like breaking out of hives, but y'all already know, if you've been with me for a while, you know that I break out of hives every once in a while, but that's not the reason that we're here. Just wanted to make a disclaimer to avoid the comments. As you read from the title, I'll be doing another nail video. So we back to Taylors Nail Salon. Hello, welcome. If you've never been to Taylors Nail Salon, go on my channel, you'll find it. Today, in the spirit of Merry Christmas, we will be doing holiday nails. So I went to CVS, and y'all know I am the queen of the Kiss Kit. I'm the queen of the Kiss Kit. So we have, this is my new child, y'all. I wanted to wait till the next video to introduce her, but she is wilding out. Say hi to TYREEKA. Stop being a crackhead. Now that you've met TYREEKA, my boyfriend has, cut the man. You're acting stupid, you're acting foolish. I gotta work so I can pay the bills. Ow! I think I want to do the glittery nails. They look like this. So I got these at my local CVS. They were on sale, but I don't think they was on sale no more. Like, sorry, watching having a puppy is like having an infant, y'all. I'm under the table. She crawling under the table. I'm making sure she's good. Then my mother's dog feel violated because she all in his space. He older. He like 10 and she is young. So come on, old man. Just, is she peeing? Are you peeing? See, these past 3 days that I haven't been posting, I have been dealing with her. Like, I'm so grateful my boyfriend got her for me. She was a surprise. But she is a little crackhead, like. She's gonna fit in good here. She's gonna fit in with mama. Once she gets some training, here she come. Look at the people. You got me talking about you. This is supposed to be about mommy. You talk to, I've been a parent. I haven't really got any sleep. She's really young. She wakes up, she eats every 2 to 4 hours. But you're so sweet and I love you. All right, so let's get this show on the road. Nails for $7 or $8. They was on sale though. I think the regular price is like $11. This little nail file. It comes with nail glue, but I don't like using the nail glue. I don't like using nail glue that come with the nails, so I got like this one. This Kiss Maximum Speed. Do that what you will. You can use this up in the thing though. But I find that when I use these, girl, you're gonna get concussed. I find when I use these that they last 2 weeks. Kind of like a full set. But let's get started. So what I'm gonna do is, I already washed my hands. I don't have no alcohol in my mother's house. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to file the base of my nails so that way they get a little bit more hold. You know, the glue can seep up in there and really hold the nail. So I'm making all of this up. I think this is, I actually don't think I'm making this up. I think this is all information that I have collected from all my nail videos. And I haven't done a nail video in a while. So people who are new here, well, that was one of my first videos I think to go up. Like, y'all love that video. I think that was my first video to hit like 500,000 or something like that. So yeah, I have filed the nails, the stubby stubs, because my nails was ugly right now, the stubby stubs. Mommy's trying to work your business. Stop there! You ain't got enough teeth for this bird. Ow, ow! Them canines coming in, baby. My baby bite back. Turn it into TYREEKA video. So this is gonna be titled My Nails featuring my new baby. They have these ones which are coffin shaped, like Christmas trees, coffin shaped Christmas trees, all of the types of stuff. I don't know. And then we have this one. It has reindeer, plaid, glitter, and all of that. TYREEKA, go, 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 go. I have these ones. They so cute. A little childish, but I like them. They festive. So, World Star! World Star! Crack. Okay, she's looking at my camera and doesn't like it. I finally got her to sleep. Okay, she's up. She's going to sleep though, look. And we can finally start the video. You've been causing a lot of problems. So I tried to start filming this video earlier while she was sleeping, and then she magically decided to wake up and say, hey mom, I wanna play. I wanna eat. I wanna piss. I wanna shit. Well, I'ma just wing it. We're just gonna wing it here. All right, that sounds like a plan. It looked like they only got big ones for the black ones. As if they want me to like make it my thumbs black. What if I don't want my thumbs to be black? What if that's not what we wanna do? Let me set up my other camera so y'all can see what's going on. All right, so like I said, look, all the thumb ones, It's black. Why they black? I wanted to maybe make this finger black, this one red. Oh, I found a small black one. I found a small black one. Don't fret. No need to fret. All right, so I'm gonna lay out my options I have here. So I'm trying to lay my nails out how I could possibly want them. I really like these ones that look like, what if I do all that and then like, I don't even know why I picked these ones because I like the other ones better, but I wanted to do something challenging. Like, let me show y'all this one up close now. This is the other one. And I actually like these ones better, but I just want to do something different, you know? Something borderline tacky, but if the right person wore it, they can make it work, you know? Yep, those is it. Yep, they look like bugs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 glitter ones. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 red ones, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So y'all must want me to have mostly red nails, and I don't like that. I don't like how they pressure me like that. I don't like it. So we got this little girl. I guess we're gonna put this on the thumb. I don't feel like I'm gonna like this at all. So I'm gonna put a little bit on the base of it, like that, like that, like that, like that, like that. So I kind of just stick it in there, like under the, not enough glue. They only did that, but it wasn't sticking. Oh, what in the messed up press on is going on here? So hold it, squeeze it, hold it, press it, squeeze it, hold it, press it, squeeze it. That's what it looks like. I don't like nothing about this. Maybe it'll come together. They ain't really give me no guidance in the book or nothing to be like, hey, this is how it's supposed to go. They kind of just said, here's some things and put it together how you please. And it looked kind of decent in display. And now that I'm putting it together, it's kind of looking tanky. Not gonna lie, kind of looking tanky. But this thumb feels secure though. So if y'all want to go buy this for some holiday flash, then you do what you do. It's different. Ain't nobody doing it like this. Ain't nobody doing it like this. Merry Christmas, that's what this said. This said, girl, what, you want a holiday spirit? Yes, I'm in a holiday spirit. For my ring finger, I want a reindeer maybe. Oh, the reindeers don't fit my fingers. What the freak kind of assortment is this? The reindeer don't fit none of my fingers. Like, look, it's too small. Why would they ever do this to me? Oh my God. They're either too big or too skinny. I guess I gotta put a reindeer on my pinky, like, and then these ones don't fit either. Whose middle fingers is this small? I'm gonna cry. Y'all wanna see somebody cry? I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna cry. Okay, I can get this one on the middle finger, but do they have another one by this number or no? I guarantee you they don't have another one this number. I guarantee you. Judging by the assortment, I really don't feel like, just as I thought. None of them are alike, just as I thought. I guess that's what you get. That's why I was on sale, because nobody wanted it. They said holiday edition, might behind. This is trash. It might turn out good, so let me not do that. Typically in my videos, I like to trash talk something until it proves me wrong. So hopefully this will prove. Oh gosh. My finger went into the glue. It's not bad, I ain't gonna lie. All right, I don't know at this point. At this point, F it. I'm just gonna have one glitter nail in the middle and then, I don't dang know. Cause the nails don't fit on the pinky and I'm just getting stressed out. This video is stressing me out. It shouldn't. Usually my nail videos go pretty okay. I ain't gonna lie, I be stressing a little bit. But typically they go okay. This one right here. Oh, this is it up close. I hate it. I don't like it. So it's $7, so I really don't know what I can really complain about. But I'm gonna complain. I don't care if I spent $1. I spent money. So y'all see my first hand. This is what it was looking like. Decent. You know my pinky crooked, so leave the comments down. Look at my pinky crooked. But yeah, these is them, right? Cool. Here's my dilemma. This is the first time I think I've ever done like a nail video where I was like, I don't think I would recommend this. They're not fitting. Like, it's not like something on the casing that says, hey, this one goes here, this one goes there. They never do that with nails because, you know, people's nails is different sizes, you know? These nails, I don't know if it's my nails. It could be my nails, so, you know, if you wanna go buy it and decide for, oh, it's crooked. If y'all wanna go to buy nails and decide for yourself, that's cool. That's okay. But the rest of these nails aren't gonna fit these two, so I'm just kinda here. Like, and this is, I had to put this one on here because none of the other glitter ones fit on these ones. Like, not even the plaid ones. Like, I don't even care at this point. I just want some nails on my finger because I know it's gonna be hard to pop these off with this glue. Whoa. Are my nails just thick? My nails is thick and these is... Like, y'all, nothing is fitting. No, I'm like, am I missing nails? Are there some hidden in the box? Is it something that I'm missing? Like, am I not saying it? But everything that's here is here. Kiss ain't failed me like this before. This is, I need my money back. They might see me. CVS might see me. They need to see me. They need to see me. So it's looking like, ladies and gentlemen, I could cut the nails, right? Right, hear me out. I could cut them, the big ones. But if I cut the big ones, they're gonna look funny because how much I have to cut. They're too big. Oh wait, we might have found a glue, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, that one's too big. My fingers are too skinny for that. These are the ones that's left. We have this one. Yeah, that's the one. That's the one. We have this one. Yep, that's the one. That'll do it. This one. Yep, that's the one. And then we all know we have this one. We have this one. What was that for? A toddler? Oh no, it's for a pinky. It was like 12 pinkies, 50 thumbs, and not enough index fingers. So, final result. Final review. Would I recommend this? Hell no. Would I recommend Kiss? Y'all know Kiss ain't failed me a lot. They done good, you know. But this little limited edition design holiday nails, miss me with the BS, because this is frustrating. They're not even cute enough to be missing stuff like this. Like, what am I gonna do? Am I just gonna tell people? So my other camera died, so I'm gonna just talk to y'all on here. Yeah, we're gonna end it on this. I do not recommend this. If you're gonna get Kiss nails, get standard Kiss nails that come in French tip and all of that. This glue is good too. Like, I've used this glue, it's really good, but the nails just they're not doing what they need to do. I'm gonna have to, like, the glue, I mean, it's just glue, luckily it's not acrylic, so I can find a way to get the nails off, I mean the glue off, but it's just so annoying taking glue off too early, because that was edge control coming off my edges, by the way. But yeah, so final look at the nails. The two fingers that just couldn't get done, and y'all see them. All right, make sure that you guys like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, if you guys want to see me do this next Kiss kit, I will. Just let me know in the comments below. I know y'all like my nail videos, and I'm trying to do some cheap press-on stuff. So also comment like some companies that have cheap press-on nails that are cute and look like a full set, because I want to try them, because I want to stop getting my nails done. But yes, like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys. Thank you so much for standing by me. And I wish I had TYREEKA, but she's asleep and she needs to stay asleep. So